My name is Shimomura. I'm the owner chef here at the Nasime restaurant in Old Town Alexandria. So Wagyu, which literally means the Japanese beef. Actually, when I was a kid, the beef was kind of very expensive, and it's definitely food for the special occasion. So Japanese cattlemen try to make it the beef as much as special for the one bite, one slice. So in other words, the Japanese Wagyu is the result of the Japanese cattlemen's enthusiasm for each cow and respect for each cow. Japanese Wagyu is definitely different. If you leave the beef in room temperature, the fat starts to melt. I use a bone for the stock and even the fat, which is actually a very character of the Wagyu beef, and the fat you trim, I don't want to waste it. So it has a lot of flavor. So I use beef fat to use confit, the tofu. So the tofu stains beef fat for certain times. The beef flavor go into the tofu. So everything in one bite, you eat bone, fat, the red meat. I roll up the Wagyu meat with the kombu. So kombu is a dried seaweed. So if you roll up the beef with the kombu seaweed, it takes extra moisture from the beef, and kombu, which has a lot of umami, go into the beef itself. I don't want to waste anything, so the bone I use a stock. And also I just want to the guests to simply enjoy the essence of the Wagyu flavor. So it's basically beef stock, aroma of the Matsutake mushroom with raw sliced beef. But if you pour the sauce soup from the stock from the top, it makes it medium rare, and the touch of the key lime. So that is simple, but like it's a pure way to enjoy the Wagyu flavor. Since Wagyu is already very powerful and flavorful material, you don't need to put too much technique for that. When I think about the recipe of the Wagyu, I feel like not cooking. In other words, like I'm supporting the flavor of the Wagyu beef. My attention is try to enhance the original flavor of the Wagyu beef. The sake and wine I pick is a very strong enough to match against the Wagyu beef.